Голяк? Our semi-trailer tandem wear pad or slider pad. It's a high pressure plastic. This is how it's coming. It's coming in the box and it has bolts and nuts in the kit as well included. How much it was? About $50, I think, right?
I think.
Yeah, about $50 for one pad. So now we're gonna straighten them like this. Now we're gonna straighten and install them on the top of a tandem because the old ones were bad. We remove them and we're gonna install new one. It already has the holes drilled. You just need to tighten the bolts. And the holes are exactly the same like the holes we have on the tandem. They all align, as you can see.
Слушай, а ты какие у тебя планы? Сейчас парковка.
Давай. Нормально, сдуй. Хорош. Давай. Давай.